It's this growing university that values community, that values the students, where they really care about who you are as a person and seeing you succeed.
It's been really influential on me, and I can't imagine how different I would be without some of these people in my life.
Your professors are always there for you. You could pop in, they're in an online meeting, they're like, hold on, Ishan's at my door. Let me go see what's up. That actually happened yesterday. And it's just this connection you feel with your professors is just something you're not gonna get at other campuses.
If you go somewhere where you're kind of a number and people forget about you, it's easy to get lost and lose sight of why you are becoming a physician. And I think the benefit of Marian is the students are really known on a very personal level, and then they have individualized, targeted advising around career pathways, professionalism, academics, personal coaching.
We want to prepare our students well for that next harder step. And that means preparing them technically, but it also means preparing them to be good members of their community.
For me, it's been volunteer hours, shadowing hours, clinical hours, leadership positions.
We have a lot of different study abroad opportunities, and I think that's also a really great way to prepare yourself for medical school.
Volunteering with College Mentors for Kids, you get to just make a difference in this underserved community. I thought that was just a great experience for me.
There was a lot of different scholarship opportunities for me here, which was really great. I think the biggest one was St. Luke's.
So our St. Luke's students have 3 different pathways or tracks that they can take in that scholars program.
There's a pre-health scholarship, which is the one that I'm on. There's a master's program where you can get your bachelor's and master's in 5 years. And there's also the osteopathic path where you get a direct admit spot to the DO school here.
And it's a way to get our students that come to Marian as pre-med or thinking they want to be pre-med connected early and often with the medical school. So they have shared events, they have shared classes, so that transition between being a pre-med and being a medical student is pretty seamless.
It can be really easy to get intimidated by the fact that acceptance into medical school is competitive. Instead of competing with one another, we help each other to get to the goal.
Be there for everybody else, and I think that's been a big part of the Marian community for me.
I really think that my time at Marian has helped me develop my reasons for going into the medical field, as well as equipped me with the tools and resources to be able to do it.
And it's that ability to stand out and be your own self that I think is the biggest draw to a school like Marian for an undergraduate student who wants to go to medical school.